This video will show you how to apply for a new Salik account, top up your Salik and retrieve your Salik PIN in case you've forgotten it. To apply for a new Salik account, please go to our website and click on the registration button. Fill in your personal information and register. Proceed to order your tag. Once payment has been confirmed, we will courier the tag to you within 4 working days. We will also SMS your account ID and Salik PIN number that is used to log in to your new Salik account, as well as top up your Salik tags. Simply log into your account using the ID and Salik PIN number. Check your balance. To top up Salik, you can pay directly through your online Salik account. You can also use various other services such as your bank account, 800 Salik, ePay, mPay and through our mobile Smart Salik app. If you have forgotten or misplaced your Salik PIN number, simply call 800 Salik and follow the instructions to have us text your PIN number. Thank you for watching, and remember to regularly check your Salik balance. Enjoy easier service every day with RTA.